Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to investigate the strange sound up ahead on the Genshin Impact Mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to claim the quest from the Ember on the investigate the strange sounds over like this, okay? And if you already done with the quest, or you already follow the quest, or if you already get the quest, you can now try to investigate the strange sound like this, okay? You can also kill the monsters on the road to the investigate the strange sound, okay? And if you already finished the strange sound with you will find the Farah and you need to talk to him, okay? So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.